Personally, I'm even surprised at how spot on last week's video was. At a point, we even did an animation. Go back and watch that video. We even did an animation whereby we showed how pound USD was going to move in the daily time frame, and it did exactly that. Welcome. It's a new week, and we're going to give you the focus of what to expect in the coming week. Now, pound USD is the center of attention this week because there still seems to be big opportunities on it this coming week. So we're going to show you everything around that. Where to put your stop loss, the targeted profits, levels that we're looking at, all the good stuff. I'm also going to look at Euro USD. So with that being said, let's get right into it. So this is the daily chart of pound USD. And if you watched last week's video, we forecasted that any movement we see upward was going to return downward. And that was how last week ended. We just had a few days of like doji struggling, and finally it broke out sell on Thursday and Friday. So what are we going to expect in the coming week? Let's look at the weekly chart. Let's start from there. Like I said, pound USD is the focus of this week's weekly analysis video. As you can see, it's so clear. It's so clear that we have had a turnaround, and this is what I've been expecting, because I expected that pound USD was going to decline, but it struggled so much around the 61.8 level. But finally we have double doji, a confirmation, and we have the move. So in the coming weeks ahead, we can expect a move at this. This is the first target. This zone should be the first target, and if we take our cursor from where it is right now, we can expect that's about 127 pips. So it's not so much, but it's something. Then you can have your, let me just show you where your stop loss should be in the short term. The short term, your stop loss shouldn't go above this high. So if we have a move, a turnaround that goes above this high, then come out of it. So this is where your stop loss should be while you are targeting that low. Let's see the number of pips that stop loss is. So that stop loss is about 100 pips. So if it goes in our direction, at the end of the day, you are still making profit. And there's a way you can go about it and have multiple trades, multiple entries on that move downward. So let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD has already gone ahead, and let me start with the weekly chart. That was the idea I talked about. That week Euro USD had already kind of gone ahead. However, there's still room for Euro USD to continue declining. Now I'll just show you how to just follow up, so that in case it pulls back, your losses are minimal. And if you look at the daily chart of Euro USD, you can see it's like a trend, up, down, up, down, up, down. So it's kind of clearer for us in terms of Euro USD how to follow it. Like for example, this high here now, this zone here should be like your immediate stop loss level. A move going above this zone, you should be out of this trade. You shouldn't be trading it anything above this zone. So this is a trend downwards. Yes, it hadn't made a new low, but that's the next target, and we can expect it to continue downward. If you see in the weekly chart of just now, you can see the potential target zone that I already lined up. I explained it in last week's video, so you can go back and watch that. So that's where we're looking at it going, with this zone above as the immediate stop loss zone. Now for your entry, you can even get more sophisticated with it by using in the smaller time frame, using the H4 for your entries. Like for example, we had the decline up, then we had the decline. So if you want to tighten your stop loss even more, then this high, this zone here, can be your stop loss zone. That's if you want to tighten it more while you're targeting the low, as your take profit as it goes down. So you can follow it either that tight, or you can follow it with daily time frame and use this zone as a tighter stop loss while you continue to sell. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Now, before I just sign out, please, if you have been getting value from this channel, please like, give a subscribe, and share with friends. The Forex Factory forecast for the coming week is just a normal week. No big deals per se in the week, except in fact, no big deals. I went through it, except the GDP that comes out on Thursday. But it's just a normal week that I believe that the technicals will make everything work out well, and the trend will just favor you. It's a week that you can make good profit. So I'll see you in the coming week. I hope you got value from this. If you did, give a like. Thanks for watching. See you next week.